This is an S-Note file from an older Samsung device. Newer Samsung phones convert this to S-Doc, but your PC might not know what to do with the old format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the converter. Don't close the guide if the SPD file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. The SPD format operates strictly under the rules set for the data file category. The file is generated in the exclusive FormZ suspended render data format. The SPD file type often refers to a SpectraProbe data file used for storing scientific measurement data, particularly in spectroscopy or photogrammetry. It contains raw or processed sensor readings from instruments. The creator depends on the scientific instrument software, e.g. ocean optics, various lab equipment. The file structure is typically proprietary binary or structured text designed to efficiently store time series or wavelength-specific readings and metadata. Autodesk's FormZ, developed by Autodesk Inc., is often used as the source validator for SPD. The file's visual data is accessible but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows offers a limited snapshot, while accurate reading requires the original data handling software. We are initiating the software cross-check. Right-click your SPD file and choose Open With. Test with Autodesk's FormZ first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often non-obvious. If the SPD file won't budge, stay calm. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, use associated application. If a music file, open it using SmartMusic. If a plant design file, open it using SmartPlant 3D or SmartPlant PNID. Next, check version. Ensure the version of the software, e.g. SmartMusic, is up to date to support the file, or ask the sender to export it in a different format, e.g. MIDI. Finally, use a viewer. If a SmartPlant file, use the free SmartPlant Review Viewer to open the model without needing the full design suite. When no app on your PC can force the SPD file open, a specialized universal viewer becomes the obvious choice. That's the tool designed to handle this level of difficulty. Forget struggling with broken files. FileMagic stands out because it can show you what's inside a corrupted SPD file right away, a feature almost no other program offers, available at filemagic.com. Files like this can be a learning curve, but you nailed it. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.